TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 418, Nasdaq's off 170, S&P's down 50. Percentage-wise, what you have out here, Dow's down 1.7%, S&P's down 1.9, Nasdaq down 2.3. Big numbers right across the board. We're going to take a look at the S&P's, folks. The SPY, what you're looking at is this, is that you're coming into, on all the indices, this is, by the way, too, you're coming into the downdraft from March 2nd. The high of that in the SPY is 269.72. Bottom line, we have 268.62. The low is 264. This is going to be gunning for that. That's on the shorter term basis. Long term, what you have out here is that February 9th wants to get tested. That's a high volume high. High volume low. It's throughout all the indices, through all the equities. That's where we're going. Dow Industrials. We take a look at the Dow. Same type of setup inside the Dow. Now, the Dow is the weakest indice. The Dow is almost, the low of the March 2nd is 24,217. We hit 24,450. Bottom line, we'll see how this shakes out coming into the close. If we do go look at these futures coming into the close right now, inside the S&Ps, they've been as low as 26.97. Right now, you're 5 points off of that low. That being said, what you have out here is that this continues to push into lower price, and it has volume down at these levels. So bottom line, I expect this low is going to get tested once again, and more than likely what you're going to see an intense sell-off coming into the close out here today. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold rejected lower price, had lighter volume. Bottom line, finally caught a decent bid, got out of the bottom of the consolidation that it has been in. And we'll see whether they can get some follow through tomorrow. We got to down to a low of 1307. You're trading 1317.80 right now. If we do go look at the GDX, you're going to see the GDX also rejected lower price. Bottom line, now we're going to need a sign of strength, wide price spread, accelerated volume. Wednesday, we're going to have the Fed come out with a statement at 2 o'clock. I suspect that statement is going to move markets around. Thus far, the 10 and the 30-year bond have rejected lower price. Bottom line, they want higher price, lower yield. And if we go over to King Dollar, what you're going to see with King Dollar had a major failure out here today. On price, on volume, gets over its swing point, gave it up in spades, barreling down with volume behind the move. You can expect that King Dollar is going to go after the lower end of this area, which is the 87,300 area. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming back with highly volatile 60 minutes coming into the close out here. Dow Industrials down 439, Nasdaq off 174, S&P's down 51. Coming right back.